Hi guys, Crafternoon Miss Jamie here. So, is it snowing today? It's been snowing a lot lately, so I thought we could make snowmen, collage snowman. Woman, child, you could do endless possibilities. It's all about what your imaginary holds, okay? So, you guys are gonna get construction paper and other colored papers, and you need scissors, you need glue, and a pencil or something to write with. It could be a crayon, it could be a marker, it could be anything you want. Let's get started. So the first man snow person I'm gonna actually show you is I just did these circles and then added a bigger circle and added a wider circle, right? So I did that. This one, I'm showing you how I'm filling it in, and I will show you how I got the squares. So you're gonna get a white piece of paper, and what I did was I cut it into strips, and then I cut it into squares so I could fill up my snowman. So you could do multiple strips, however many you want to cut, right? Okay. And then you have the other colors. So I did some arms, some buttons and eyes, small nose. So what I did here is I left the pencil line, hopefully you guys can see it, just so you guys know it's the same design. And I'm gonna add some glue up here. Okay. Add my squares. Have you guys made a snowman yet? We've had so many inches of snow lately that it would be really cool to see a bunch of snowmen out in our yards, huh? That would be pretty cool. So you just keep adding, and I'm actually just going to show you that. So I'm going to go back and do all the way out to the edges. See? Okay, so is it looking like a snowman? Ooh. Okay, let's start with the hat. So I'm going to show you guys how to draw the hat again. We did this in one of our other winter things. Let's see. So up, over, up. And there's the hat. And then you just cut it out. Mine's all wonky, but I like it because it gives it character. Whoops. Oops, sorry guys. Knocking stuff over. So I'm gonna put my hat up here. Pretty cool. And so I just made like different shapes, circles, pie shapes, did all kinds of stuff. And I'm gonna add glue to the actual piece. And then I'm gonna put it up here. And for his eyeballs. What's cool about a snowman is it can have like scarves and buttons and arms and nose. Have you guys ever done a carrot nose on your snowman? I have. It's pretty cute. So you can do as many as you want. Whoops. Oh, I'm dropping stuff today. This is crazy, huh? Okay. And then so you can do little tiny noses, or you can do a big nose. What's cool is carrots come in all shapes and sizes. It's really cool how they grow in the ground. Let's see, like that. And then here's my little arms. So I made some bigger arms and some littler arms because I wanted to show you something. So if you make a little bit of a bigger arm, you can do a cutout So it looks like he has a hand like that. So kind of looks like he has a hand at the end of the stick, right? Or you could do round. So he has a round hand at the end of the stick. Whatever you guys want. I can't wait to see your guys' collections. Let's see. Add that. So this is our snowman. So I told you there's other ways to do this, right? So here's our snowman. Guess what happens when the sun comes out? Did you guys guess it? Our snowman melts. So you could do a snowman that melted if you want. I hope you guys had fun. I will see you next time. Bye.